Your mind is not tired, it is just carrying too much. Right now, you don't need to fix anything. You don't need to think. You just need to breathe. As you listen to the sound, allow yourself to return to a simple state, a state of calmness, ease, and stillness. Let your body relax. Let your face soften. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently breathe out. Repeat this with me in your mind. I allow myself to slow down. I am safe in this moment. Go deeper. Your eyes are closed. Feel your breath moving in and out. Feel your body resting here. There is nothing you need to do, nothing you need to chase. Repeat this with me in your mind. Everything can wait. This moment is mine. Feel your mind opening, becoming blank, and go deeper and deeper. Feel your body grounding, becoming steady. Repeat this with me in your mind. I am grounded, I am calm, I am here. Now take all your attention to your breath. As you breathe deeper, you may feel calm, energy, life within you. Just observe, don't control. Repeat this with me in your mind. My energy is rising. I feel alive. I feel powerful. Take a deep breath in and fill your belly, your chest with air, and slowly let it go and out. Again, make it more deeper this time. Take a deeper breath in and out. So now you have to breathe 30 times with me without pause. Take a deep breath in and out. 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 Take a deep breath in and out, and relax. Take all your focus on your breathing. Stay relaxed, no tension. Feel the silence around you. Feel the stillness. This is a quiet space. Repeat this with me in your mind. I am at peace. I am completely still. Now slowly take a deep breath in and hold. And out. Feel the energy moving through your body. Repeat this with me in your mind. Life flows through me. I feel relaxed and calm. Again, take a deep breath in and out. This time you have to make it a little bit more deeper. Take a deeper breath in and out. Repeat this with me in your mind. With every breath, I return to my true self. Notice your mind now. More quieter, more calmer. Notice your body. Lighter and more relaxed. Repeat this with me in your mind. My mind is calm. My body is relaxed. I am balanced. Everything you need is already within you. Repeat this with me. I trust my breath. I trust my body. I trust this moment. Now slowly bring your awareness back. Feel your body. Feel your breath. Gently become aware of your surroundings. Carry this calm with you. You don't need to search anymore. You have found it within your own self. Repeat this with me in your mind. I release all the stress. I am calm. I am whole. I am at peace. I return to simplicity. Thank you, thank you, thank you, universe.